Welcome to the world of Nextbase. And meet your new driving guardian. First, let's start with what you'll find inside the accessory box. In here, you'll find everything needed to set up your dashcam, including quick start guide, power cable, USB cable, click and go Pro mount, and a handy fitting tool. We'll explain how to use these in detail later. Then, and most importantly, you'll find your new Nextbase dashcam. You may have also received a high-endurance Nextbase U3 SD card, specifically designed for high-performance Nextbase dashcams. To insert, just hold the dashcam with the lens facing towards you and then have the SD card upside down so the Nextbase logo is at the bottom. Then firmly insert it into the side of the dashcam until you hear it click into place. To take it out again, simply push the SD card in slightly and it will pop out for easy removal. We recommend that you charge your dashcam for 2 hours before use, and to do so, simply remove the rubber seal from the top of the dashcam and plug in the small end of the supplied USB. Then connect the other end to either a computer or USB plug socket. Leave the dashcam charging and then press the power button on the side for 3 seconds and the dashcam will turn on. You'll then be presented with 3 options. Access files at the top for reviewing footage on a computer, firmware update at the bottom, and please refer to our dedicated firmware video if you need help with this. And in the middle is power on. Select this and you'll be asked to select your preferred language, country, region, and speed measurement. You can then skip app features for now. These can be enabled using the app or in settings, and please refer to our separate video to set up Alexa and Emergency SOS, which is free for 1 year in North America. Now let's move to the car to continue setting up. To make the most out of your dashcam, you'll need to download the MyNextbase Connect app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, go to Settings on your dashcam and press Connect Apps, MyNextbase, and then Set up Phone and press OK. Then open the MyNextbase Connect app. Press Next and select your dashcam. You will then be asked to grant permission for the app to work in the background, along with location info, and then to enable your Bluetooth and location. You should now see your dashcam within the app. Select it and pair it with your phone. You may also need to enter a password depending on your device. The app allows you to view dashcam footage via a local Wi-Fi connection and view information such as map details and telemetry. You can also download footage and upload this to the free MyNextbase cloud or directly to your phone. The first thing to do is place your Click and Go Pro mount on your windshield. But it's super important that it doesn't obscure your view, and we recommend placing the mount on the passenger side just behind the rearview mirror. Once you're happy, make sure the glass is clean and dry. Remove the sticker and firmly place the mount onto the windshield. Then plug the power cable into the mount and not the dashcam, as this will bypass GPS and wireless removal features. Then use the fitting tool to route the cable around the top of the windshield, around the wheel arch, under the seat, and into the cigarette lighter. You can now click your dashcam into place with its powerful neodymium magnets, but you may need to adjust it so that it's aligned correctly. Then when you start your engine, your dashcam will automatically turn on. If you'd like to install the rear window camera, simply mount it to the middle top of the rear windshield, feed the cable through to the front of the car, remove the rubber seal, and plug the cable into the side of the dashcam. This provides you with 6-lane rear protection. If you'd like to use either the rear view or cabin view modules, simply click them into the right side of the dashcam and you'll have a view of inside the vehicle, or a rear view out the back. If you're using either a 522GW or 622GW, these models come with a removable polarizing filter, and this is an optional extra for the other models. This reduces glare, color contrast, and windshield reflections for that extra clarity. The Polarizing Filter also has a rotating bezel, which you can adjust to suit your driving conditions. In addition to this, there are several other Nextbase dashcam accessories, such as a variety of different-sized industrial-grade high-performance SD cards, and a hardwire kit if you wish to power your dashcam through your car's fuse box. For more information on hardware installation, please refer to the dedicated hardwire video. And that's it. You're good to go.